Hello everyone, today I will show you how to ask Perplexity to summarize articles. And here's how it is done. 1. Provide the article link or text. You can give Perplexity the URL of the article you want to summarize, or paste the article text itself. 2. Use clear instructions. Ask Perplexity specifically to summarize this article or give me a summary of the key points from this article. 3. Choose the AI model, optional. If you have options, select an AI model suited for summarization, such as Claude 3.7 Sonnet or similar. Perplexity AI can summarize articles concisely or in depth, citing sources to avoid hallucinations. And that is everything to know about how to ask Perplexity to summarize articles. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.